Welcome to Power Automate in a Day, Lab 5. The goal of this exercise is to use the Microsoft Forms connector from Power Automate. This is a quite easy exercise. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to office.com and let's create a very simple form, right? Let's name it Power Automate in a Day evaluation. And let's create question. So first name is mandatory. Last name required, then company name, and let's keep it simple. Rating. Okay, and what we want is we want to be alerted when someone submit not a good rating. Let's change the style. Let's take this template. Okay, in collect response, let's specify that anyone can respond. Okay, this is the link that you will have to share with other people. And of course, this form can be shared with other accounts, right? So you can collaborate with other people for creating this form. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to create a Power Automate flow that will be triggered when someone submits a response. And of course, the system will check if the evaluation is not good. So let's make sure that we are in the default environment. And let's create a flow. It should be an automated flow. We can name it Power Automate Evaluation. And we should select the when a new response is submitted for Microsoft Form Connector. This is the trigger. We need to pick a form. If needed, you may have to create a connection. I already have a connection. Let's grab Power Automate in a Day evaluation. That's the name of the form that we did create. And now we need to add an action from the Microsoft Form connector, which is not this one. Now we need to create an action, to add an action from the Microsoft Form connector, which is the get response detail. And this one will analyze the detail from the trigger. We just need to specify the form ID, the response ID from the trigger. And from there, we can grab each field submitted by the user. So for each field, we will create a compose. One field for first name, one for last name, one for company name, and another one for the rating. Let's rename it. Company. And the last one, right click, paste will be the one for the rating. Like this. Let's point to rating, training rating. And yeah, we'll remove the space here, like this. Okay, and here I will check if the rating is not good. And if it's not good, I will send an email to the management. Condition, and of course, it's better to, in the condition, to transform the rating from a string to a number by using the int function that we have used in previous exercises. So int, and then let's grab the rating, compose rating here. Oops. Let's do it again. Int and compose rating. Click add. Is small or less than 4, then we need to send an email to the management with the customer details. Add an action, send an email. Add the rating. Oops, should be first name, last name. This is last name, so let's put the first name before, like this. And then the company name from company name and rating. Like this. Save. And now if you submit a form, let's submit two evaluations. One from John, a good evaluation. Okay, normally this is trigger or flow. Yes, if I check all run, I saw the run. Okay, good. This is John. Okay. 5. It's a string. And now if I submit another one from Serge, and not a good rating this time, less than 4, normally I should have received an email.